Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Wednesday, August 9. Time is around 5:45 GMT, and we will have a look at the DAX futures on the Wanda platform. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart, and currently I'm considering two scenarios on the DAX. I believe both are equally valid, so let's have a look at them. The bearish one would be that, so the bearish one is indicated in red, and would be that this wave 4 low is not in yet, but that we will have this wave 4 low somewhere here. And that would mean that we are doing a flat structure now, expanded flat structure. So then we would come down as wave A in three waves, 1, 2, 3. Then here we have something corrective as a wave B, an overshooting wave B. So from here we should now see 5 waves down as a wave C. So yeah, this could be playing out now like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like this, to end this wave C and to end this wave 4. Excuse me. Then there is also the bullish case, which assumes that the wave 4 low is in here, and that we are now doing a wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2 to the downside. We are in the area for our wave 2, and so now we should see a wave 3 to the upside. So our wave 2 area we can find by taking the length of our wave 1, and then the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 fib retracement is the area where we should go as a wave 2. For sure, we cannot take out this low here, otherwise this is not a wave 2 anymore. So these are the two scenarios I'm looking at. Yesterday I told you I was expecting at least one more low, also in the bullish scenario. This is what happened, and so now let's see how we can continue from here, or where we currently are. So here we are looking at the 1 hour, and so we are focusing on this part here, like in the bullish scenario, this is wave 1. In the bearish scenario, this is wave B. And we should now try to figure out what will happen from here, or what will happen with this structure here. So in the bearish scenario, in red, I believe this was our wave 1. And then this should be our wave 2. And then a 3, a 4, and a 5 should follow from here, and that means that our next area of interest is this area here. If we take the length of our wave 1, the length of our wave 2, then here in this area the wave 3 should end between the 1 and the 1.618 fib extension. And then this should also be more or less the area where the wave C and the wave 4 is in, because like this here is the area where our wave 4 can go. So if we would cross this lower boundary, then we are going too deep as a wave 4. So there's a good chance, if the bearish scenario is playing out, there's also a resistance zone here, that we should end somewhere here, and that we can expect that buyers step in again from here, and that we see more upside. So this is an interesting area for me for a long position. If we take out this low here, what would mean that we are doing the bearish scenario. Now, in the In the bullish scenario, I changed my labeling. I think now this is the best way to count it. Like so, we should be doing a wave two, and this looks like yeah, a wave A. Like this looks like one cycle. Then we should here have our shallow wave B, and then a wave C should follow. Like this wave C cannot be too long. Like if it would be a full wave C, we should also target this area here. But yeah, that's not possible because we cannot take out this low here. Otherwise, this is not a wave 2 anymore. So we should be doing a wave C, a short one that stays above this this invalidation level. If we take out this level, it means that this is not a wave 2 anymore and that we are doing the bearish scenario. So if we then look at the 15 minutes, so now I subdivided it like this. So this is our wave A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then here we have something corrective as our wave B. And then, yeah, for now, I would say, or until yesterday, I labeled it like this: a 1, a 2, a 3, and so this is a 4. But actually, this, yeah, this becomes quite deep retracement for a wave 4. But I labeled it like this because we really need this short wave wave C, or wave C cannot go beyond this this level. But this is, yeah, this does not look like a wave 4 anymore unless it's, yeah, it really has to start going down from here. Or otherwise, another possibility is that yeah, this here was the 1, this here was the 2, and now we we end like with an ending diagonal, something like this. Not too impulsive to the downside, but an ending diagonal, something like this, to end this wave C, and so that we would stay above this invalidation level here. And yeah, technically, like the wave C could actually also be already in here. Then it's not clear at all that we have our 5 waves. But look, we took out the wave A low, and that's actually enough to have your wave C. Then we have a very short wave C, and we see more upside from here. Then the wave 2 would be in here. That's also a possibility. So yeah, for now I would just, let's see if we start dropping off or not soon. But look, I will keep it like this for now. But yeah, like I said, there are many variations here possible. The ending diagonal, something like this if we start dropping now, or the wave C might be in here, very short wave C, and that we see more upside from here. That's also a possibility. But yeah, it's a bit difficult because we cannot really work here. Like the structure is not good. We cannot really work here with like an equal leg area. Like this is the way I like to work with this kind of zones, because from there you can expect reaction. But yeah, from here you do not really have enough information to initiate a trade. Like it can be, like I explained to you, it can be 3 different scenarios for your wave C. So where should you put your entry? Of course, like if you want to go long here, this is your invalidation level. But yeah, to go long from here, I mean, risk reward, this is not really interesting. Of course, if we would go deeper and I see five waves that end with divergence, so that it is really that I really get a clear structure here, then things change. Then it might be worth to do a long, because then we should end like somewhere here. Your invalidation level is here. You have five waves down ending with divergence, so you expect some kind of reaction to the upside. So then this here might be an interesting long if this plays out. um, yeah, at the same time, if we would go up more, or maybe also from here, it's a less reliable setup, but this might be a short entry, because this is clearly the invalidation level. It looks like, yeah, this is the A and this is the B. So if you want to short this wave C here, it is against this high. Um, so yeah, risk reward. This can be okay if we go up a bit more. Um, So this is also a clear setup, less reliable in the sense that our wave C can be finished here, and we can shoot higher from here. So then you are immediately stopped out. So less reliable, but it might play out. So this is what I see, or a long position from a long entry from here, if plays out what I just told you, five waves down ending with divergence. That's a possibility I see. Then if the bearish case plays out, then this area here becomes interesting. Here buyers should step in again. And then yeah, a less reliable setup, but one that might work is a short against this this high here, but yeah, less reliable, because the wave C could be in here. We can have more downside, or like yeah, this, I mean, this can even be, if they make it really hard for us, this can even have something like this. So that this was the A, that we now have a correction as a flat. So that would mean A, B overshooting B, wave C to the upside to make our wave B, and that from here we go down again as a wave C. So therefore, this setup for a short is less reliable. So for several reasons. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.